Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of your ants without using any pesticides or poisons. At the end of this video, I will give you one more bonus way to naturally control the ants in your garden. My name is Demian, and this is Growing Together.
You have a problem, you have.
Ants in your sand, ants on your hands, ants on your lettuce, ants in your band, ants on your land, ants on your plants, ants everywhere you look, ants in your pants.
If you've got a problem in your garden, all of those ants
Are making you crazy.
you wanna get rid of them without using poison. I've got a solution for you. So with a shovel, you're gonna disturb one anthill. You're gonna pick them up, put them in a wheelbarrow, and take them to a smaller anthill, and then disturb the smaller anthill, like so. So here they're exploding. You're gonna pick this up, put it in a wheelbarrow, and take it to their neighbors. Disturb the neighbor's anthill to make them fight. It doesn't matter who wins. Each will damage the other's exoskeleton, which will cause them both to die. This method requires maintenance. You can't just do it once. You have to do this repeatedly until one anthill wins over the other anthill, and then you choose another anthill. It requires a little bit of effort, a little bit of time, but it's completely natural and poison-free. Check this video as well that works together with this method in order to completely control the ants in your garden without adding any chemicals where you live, helping to keep you and your family healthy.
You've gotta make him go to
War, you gotta make 'em go to war. You gotta make 'em go to war. You gotta make 'em go to war. You gotta make 'em go.
Pull the strings of manipulation, just like our leaders did. Go to their homes, bang it with a shovel. Let the warriors come to getting ready for a fight. Trick them to think it was their neighbor, like social media does that thing you do.
No more ants in your sand. No more ants in your pants. No more ants on your lettuce or ants in your band.
No more ants on your land.
No more
ants on your plants. You're gonna have to accept it. You'll have ant blood on your hands.
If that
Causes you trouble sleeping at night.
I have a video for you.
So the bonus tip, you boil water, you go to the anthill, you dump the water in the anthill. Again, this is a maintenance process. You can eventually kill all the ants. I don't like using that method because a lot of those ants survive and they suffer. But then again, if I had a huge problem with ants in my garden, I would use boiling water as well. Subscribe?